You've probably seen the headlines. America launched its most important moon mission in over 50 years. But honestly, here's the real question. Why is everyone calling this mission some kind of turning point for humanity? What's so special about it that, after half a century, humans are finally heading back into deep space? So yeah, welcome to Artemis II. It's just a 10-day journey carrying 4 astronauts aboard the Orion spacecraft. They're not landing on the moon or anything. They're just traveling thousands of miles beyond it, farther than anyone's gone since 1972, and then they'll come back to Earth. So if they're not landing, what's the point? Well, the whole thing is basically about proving that humans can survive deep space. Outside Earth's protective shield, astronauts deal with radiation, extreme temperatures, and the unknown effects of microgravity. Artemis II is supposed to answer whether humans can actually live and function beyond Earth. It's also the first real test of the Orion spacecraft. For the first time, its life support system's oxygen, temperature, waste management will be tested with actual people in deep space. If that fails, well, future moon missions won't happen. But there's something kind of interesting about it, too. The mission uses something called a free return trajectory. Instead of relying heavily on engines, the spacecraft just uses the moon's gravity to sling itself back toward Earth. Basically, a safe little cosmic loop. Inside the spacecraft, science stuff is happening on a microscopic level with an experiment called AVATAR, using organ-on-a chip technology, where scientists study how deep space radiation affects human cells in real time. This data might shape the future of human space travel. Then, NASA's trying out a new laser communication system that can send data really fast, even streaming 4K video from the moon. It's basically the start of space internet. But beyond all the tech, the mission itself is historic. For the first time since Apollo 17, humans are leaving low Earth orbit and heading back into deep space. And the crew sort of represents something bigger, too. There's the first woman, the first person of color, and the first non-American to go this far into space. It's not just America's mission, it's kind of humanity's mission. Artemis II isn't the end goal, it's more like the start. After it comes Artemis III, where humans land on the moon again, and later on there'll be a permanent human presence, and eventually Mars. So yeah, Artemis II isn't just a mission, it's more like a message that humanity's ready to go beyond Earth and actually stay there.